So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to transfer from exchange to wallet on Binance. So let me show you how to do it. First up, after you open up your Binance exchanger, here is it now. Now go to the wallet section. So after you go to your Binance wallet like this, so the next thing to do, go to this option, asset. So after you come to this option, so the next thing to do, now you click on this receive button. So from this option, now you have two options. So the first one, just click on this option, the first one, transfer. This one, transfer from Binance Exchange. So here it will give you all the tokens that you are currently holding in your Binance account. So go and select the one that you want to transfer. So let's say I want to import or I want to transfer, let's say BNB into my Binance wallet. So just select the BNB like this. After you select it, now select the network. Now select the network. Here is it now, BSC network, and click on this continue. So from this option, so the next thing to do now, so now you click on this option now to type in the amount that you want to receive. So just click on this option. So now type in the amount of the BNB or of the token that you want to import or you want to transfer from the exchanger into your wallet. So just type in the amount. Let's say I need 20. So after you type in the amount of the BNB like this, so the next thing to do, click on this done button. So now you just click on this transfer button. So if you tap on this transfer button, from there, the amount that you just enter, it will be just imported from your Binance exchanger into your Binance wallet. So I currently don't have this amount in my Binance exchanger, so that's why now it gives me this insufficient message. As you can see now here, it says insufficient, so because I don't have this amount. But if you have the amount, just type in the amount that you want to transfer, and then just click on this transfer button. From there, the amount will be transferred from your Binance exchanger into your Binance wallet. And that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.